Welcome, eccentric crafters. Today I want to share a grown-up version of my favorite kid craft, a pair of retro cartoon skull earrings. For this project, you will need 2 ear wires and 2 jump rings, 2 pliers, colored pencils, a black Sharpie, a pair of scissors, and a heat gun. And don't forget the Shrinky Dinks. As a precaution, I'm going to sketch out my skeleton because I don't want to draw a really wackadoo skeleton on my paper. There we go. I'm going to shade his eyes, add a little shading. And he's done. Okay, so I've gone ahead and I have laid my Shrinky Dink paper over the original illustration, and I'm outlining it in Sharpie. Now for the fun part, coloring. Use your brightest colors because they're going to intensify as you shrink the plastic. And I'm going to go ahead, make it all yellow, shade it with some green, really bright neon colors to make it pop. Now let's cut this guy out. Take your time with this and don't cut over your black line. Okay, now I'm gonna just very nicely and precisely cut around the black line. And make sure it's nice and smooth. If you want to, you can go over your Shrinky Dink with some sandpaper to get those edges smooth. Now I'm just going to get as close as I possibly can. There, now I have my 2 skulls and they're facing the opposite direction. I'm going to go ahead and punch a hole in the top and repeat. Now I could have put these in the oven, but this way is way more fun. I'm gonna just heat it up. Make sure to move the gun all around your Shrinky Dink. That way the heat distributes evenly. And I know this part's a little scary because he's getting quite deformed, but you can just even it out. Just keep going every little nook and cranny until he flattens out. Just like that. Now you can take a little tool and you can iron him out if he doesn't seem to want to straighten up, like he's not cooperating with me right now. Flip him over. Be careful, don't burn your hands, please. And I'm just taking a little box and flattening it out. He's not quite there yet. And now you have to press really hard, that way you don't have any curved edges. And I know, he looks a little bit warped, but you can also sand him and, if his head's a little lumpy, and smooth it out. There we go. Beautiful matching pair. And the last step is installing our jump rings and ear wires. Okay, so I'm going to slip the jump ring through the hole, put an ear wire on, you want to open your jump ring like this and not pull it apart. Take one set of pliers, and another, and I'm going to squeeze them together until the jump ring is closed. And there you have it. That's your finished earring.